come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Karan Verma, is it then right to create a division between South India and North India because the opposition wants to ask question? Is it all right to bring in the tukde mindset because they said South India should be a separate nation, North India should be a separate nation, and to keep on every day? Yes, there will be traffic jams. There are traffic jams. Could there have been better arrangements? Always better. Everything can be bettered. Nothing is the best. The peaks have still to be achieved. But today, ये जो very sarcastic double engine sarkar comment is coming. It was a double engine in 2012 also, no? It was the UPA at the center. The Samajwadi Party was supporting that. Why then was there a stampede killing 40 people? Why was there a stampede? It was a double engine sarkar.
So, Amit ji ne abhi kaha, Navika ji, that we did a great job in 2013, best of our ability. 2nd June 2014, the CAG tables a report. And what does it say? It says the tragedy happened because of lack of cooperation between the agencies and the railways. In fact, it's a scathing indictment how 55% of their works were not even completed. 76% less as far as ambulances, firefighting and other things are concerned. So that was a scathing indictment of how they managed the Kumbh back then. Now, Navika ji, I'll tell you why Kumbh is the biggest nightmare for Samajwadi Party and the India Alliance. They cannot stomach the fact that crores of Hindus take a dip without looking at anyone's caste and creed, because their entire politics is predicated on division. Whether it is north versus south, whether it is along caste lines, this entire thing goes to the bin when Hindus come up and they cannot stomach this visual of Sanatan unity, this resurgence of Sanatan. That is their worst nightmare. And why did DK Shiv Kumar do a complete 360 turn when he reached Karnataka? Because we know for a fact that in Karnataka we have the most minority appeasing government, and there's a slew of things they've done. You remember how they rescinded the hijab order ban right away when they formed the government, or the anti-conversion law which they took back, or the blanket reservation of Muslims in the OBC 2A category. So this is a government that appeases to the Muslims. They realized, bhai vote bank khatre mein aa jayega agar zyada Sanatan ki baat kar di. And to my friend Tehseen, when he says ki he gave an option, no, I am quoting what he said. He said no need to go to Mahakumbh in Prayagraj, avoid mishaps. Now, if this is not fear-mongering, I want to ask my friend, what is fear-mongering then? He was not giving an option. He was trying to fear-monger here because he wanted to send this message to his vote bank. I am not pro-Sanatan. हम तो अपने पाप धोएंगे वहां, बाकी किसी को पाप धोने की जरूरत नहीं है. On a lighter note.